Could we build floating cities in Venus' atmosphere? Today, we'll investigate the feasibility of establishing sustainable floating habitats above Venus, exploring the balance of scientific ingenuity against the planet's harsh conditions.
Imagine a world where cities float above the clouds, not unlike those depicted in sci-fi tales. Surprisingly, Venus, our neighboring planet, might just be the place for such a vision. With its Earth-like gravity and thick atmosphere, it's an intriguing candidate for floating cities. But can we truly harness these conditions to create a sustainable future on Venus?
Venus' atmosphere is a thick, swirling mix of clouds primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with sulfuric acid clouds and trace amounts of other gases. Despite its inhospitable surface temperatures of over 450 C, the atmosphere at about 50 kilometers up is surprisingly Earth-like in pressure. This is where buoyancy comes into play, offering the potential for floating cities. By understanding these atmospheric conditions, we can design habitats that float, using the dense atmosphere to our advantage. The concept of buoyancy is central to the idea of floating cities. Just as balloons rise in the Earth's atmosphere, structures on Venus could utilize gases like helium or hydrogen to achieve lift. The atmospheric pressure at certain altitudes on Venus is comparable to Earth, providing a zone where habitats could remain buoyant. By achieving equilibrium in this atmospheric layer, floating cities could become a reality. Designing habitats for Venus involves creating structures that can withstand its acidic atmosphere while harnessing the abundant solar energy. Concepts include inflatable habitats made from materials resistant to sulfuric acid. These floating cities would need to be self-sustaining, with closed-loop systems for air, water, and food. Solar panels could provide energy, making these habitats not only viable but potentially thriving ecosystems.
The challenges of Venus' environment are formidable. High temperatures, corrosive clouds, and intense pressure require innovative solutions. Advanced materials and technology are needed to protect habitats and ensure long-term sustainability. Overcoming these hurdles involves not only engineering prowess but also creative problem-solving to utilize the resources available in Venus' atmosphere effectively. Floating cities on Venus offer immense scientific potential, from studying the planet's geology to its atmospheric dynamics. Commercially, Venus could serve as a hub for mining valuable gases or as a launch point for further space exploration. The technological advancements required for such an endeavor could lead to breakthroughs that benefit humanity on Earth and beyond, making Venus a strategic location for future space ventures. Building floating cities in Venus' atmosphere is a bold and daring vision, blending science fiction with scientific possibility. The feasibility of creating such habitats invites us to explore new frontiers in technology and sustainability. We encourage you to share your thoughts on this concept and engage with us on future scenarios you'd like to see explored.